Good morning, guys. So today I'm gonna talk about obsessive compulsive disorder, or OCD. No, just kidding. I wouldn't say I'm a OCD kind of person, but sometimes the OCD will just strike you, you know. I've been wanting to repaint the bumper because I think a few months ago I scratched the bottom part of the bumper because I ran into I'm not sure whether it's a curb or a very slopey road when I was making a 3-point turn, and I scratched the bottom part of the bumper, but it's not visible from the front unless you knee down and look at it from the bottom part. So that makes me wanted to repaint the bumper, but I thought it would be a waste for me to just paint the bumper because of that part. So I've been telling myself and a lot of my friends that, yeah, we should, you know, collect all the battle scars first before we go for bumper repainting. And then after that, I got a stone chip on the left hand side of the bumper, and I did my own DIY touch-up. If you have followed my videos, you will see the video that I did my DIY touch-up, and that didn't work out very well also, because I'm not sure whether maybe I was very inexperienced, and it managed to cover up the chip part, but the painting and coating was not done perfectly. So you will see some parts are quite shiny and some parts are like in matte color now, but you won't notice it. I mean, if you don't look at it, you don't focus on that part, you won't notice it. So after that two incidents, I have been surveying, checking out paint job workshop, and the conclusion I got was, yeah, you need minimum 3 to 4 days to touch up and repaint the whole bumper. So yeah, 3 to 4 days means you have to leave your car there and for 3 to 4 days. So yeah, I've been trying to convince myself that yes, I should just wait for maybe another 1 or 2 battle scars before I really, you know, send my car in for a repaint. And few days ago, I saw a post from this BMW Facebook group. A group member posted, shared a place where they can fix, I mean, they can do the repaint in 3 hours. That is so amazing, in 3 hours. So I contacted the workshop, and yeah, I fixed an appointment with the workshop, and I'm heading to the workshop today. So we'll see if they really can do it in 3 hours. and the outcome is satisfying. It is really a very groundbreaking news for all the car lovers, because you no longer need to put your car in the workshop for paint job for like at least 3 to 4 days to a week. So let's see. I'm heading to the workshop now, somewhere in USJ. Okay, I'll talk to you guys more when I reach there. So here we are at Jalan Industri USJ 1/1, and the place is called Car Zen. The paint job workshop place is called Car Zen. It's on my right hand side now. So this place is actually a car repair workshop, as you can see, and apparently this workshop is shared by a few companies. There's a car repair workshop here called Reborn Moto, and there's this Revivified coating shop, car detailing shop, and also this Car Zen, the paint job shop. So apparently they just started business in August, and yeah, it's quite new, but very limited space. So they only have 2 bay and 1 Sifu working here. So it's best to make an appointment before you come. And the Sifu told me that yeah, the sanding and painting will take about 3 hours, but that doesn't include removing and reinstalling the bumper. So removing and reinstalling the bumper will take approximately another hour. So I think overall it will take at least 4 to 5 hours perhaps. I don't want to rush the Sifu. I just want him to do a proper job for me, and we shall see later. 可以啊，看不出来了。好 ，OK， 可以了。Okay guys, finally it's all done, and the front bumper now look like new one. It's a very good result, but it doesn't take 3 hours. It took me actually, I think now is what? Now 5:30. I came at 10 AM, 10 in the morning, and it's 5:30 now. So how many hours? 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 8 hours. But it's not because of the sanding and painting. It's because this car is very tough to remove the front bumper. It's quite challenging. And to put it back also, it took some time. And also we rested for 1 hour for lunch, so deduct 1 hour, so yeah, it's still about 6-7 hours around that. But the result is very good. And although the shop is now understaffed, but the boss said hopefully in future, when the business is stable, you'll get more stuff. So hopefully things will speed up. But actually I'm quite happy because unlike other paint job shop, you don't need to leave your car for 3 to 4 days at least. This place you just need, yeah, like for me, for my case, it's just 1 day and I got my car back. You can get your front bumper paint in 7 hours, but based on their record, they did for the BMW 3 Series F30, it was a shorter time. It took them about 4 hours because apparently it was easier to remove the front bumper for F30. Anyway, I didn't rush them at all, and I just want them to do a perfect job. So they are doing a promotion now, since they only start the business in August, early August, and they are having a special promotion until September, according to the boss. I leave the details of the shop in the description box, and if you're interested, you can contact Lim, who's the boss. So okay, I guess that's it for today. It was a long day, but a satisfying day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ride and ride safe.